Welcome learner in our science class for 4th standard. Learner, you have seen number of plants in your surrounding and can you tell me which is the most attractive part of the plant? Yes, it is the flower and today we will learn about flower and its part. So let us see what is a flower. You know that flower is the most attractive and beautiful part of the plant. And it is the reproductive part of the plant, or we can say that it is a special structure produced by the plant that help in the reproduction. So what do you mean by the reproduction? Reproduction means to grow the new plant from the older plant by different means. So generally the flowers have the different color and they vary in the size also. Some flowers are very big in size and some flowers very small in size. Generally the flower have the very pleasant fragrance, and some flower which do not have the attractive color but they have very pleasant fragrance to attract the insect toward them. Now let us study about the parts of the flower. The first part of the flower, that is the pedicel or stalk. This pedicel is the part by which the flower is attached to the branch, and at the base of the flower there is a swollen part is present that is called the spectacle. The spectacle is the thickened part of a stem from which the flower grows, and this spectacle holds all the floral parts together. And most of the flower have the 4 whorls or 4 sets. Like these whorls are the sepal, petal, stamen and pistil. Sepals are the outermost whorls of a flower. And what are these sepals? Sepals, the small green color and leaf-shaped structure found on the outermost part of the flower called the sepal. And they are considered to be modified leaves. They protect the flower when they are in the stage of the bud. You know that a flower is developed from a bud. Bud is a bud. Bud is a closed flower, and when it opens, it becomes a flower. And these sepals protect the flower when they are in the stage of the bud, and also support the petals when in bloom. When flower blooms, sepals help the flower to bloom into help the bud to bloom into a flower. And the next part, that is the colorful part of the plant, that are the petals. Petals are the colored and modified leaves that surround the reproductive parts of the flower. They are bright in color and unusually have the shape to attract the insect for the pollination. And the fragrance of the flower is due to the presence of the petals. And third whorls of the flower, that are the stamen. It is the male reproductive part of a plant. And stamens is the pollen producing male reproductive organ of a flower. And stamen usually consists of a long slender stalk that is called the filament, and at the tip of this filament there is a lobe like structure present that is called the anther. And anther have the pollen grains. Anther have the yellow color powder in it, and they that powder have the pollen grains that help in the pollination. Next, the innermost whorls of the flower, that is the pistil. Pistil is the female reproductive part of a of a flower. And pistil is the female reproductive part of a flower, and it produces the ovule inside the ovary. And pistil mainly consists of the 3 main parts, that is the stigma, style and the ovary. Stigma is the part where the pollen grain lies, During the pollination, when the anther mature and it rupture, the pollen grains are spread by different means like the wind, water, and these pollen grains comes and lies on the stigma. They attach to the stigma. And style is the part of a pistil that connects the ovary with the stigma. And ovary is the part where the ovules are produced, and ultimately the ovules are changed into the seed and whole mature ovary that turn into a fruit. So these are the parts of the flower. So let's have a recap by observing this flower. Here I will show you the different parts of the flower. This outermost, this swollen part of the flower, that is the spectacle, and it holds all the floral part together. And these are the green color leaf present at the base of the flower. These are called the sepals. When we remove the sepals, then second whorl is present. Student, you know that whorls means the layer. That is the first layer of the flower, that are the sepal. And second layer or second whorl, these are the colorful part, that are the petals. And these petals help to attract the insect toward them. And when we look inside the flower, these are the stamen. Here you can see these are the stamen, you can easily see, and the stamen have the anther at the tip, and that is the filament, like this. And there is in the center, there is the female reproductive part is present, and it is the stigma. Yes, this one. It is the stigma, then style, and at the base there the ovary is present. So these are the stamen, that is the male reproductive part of a flower, and this in the center, it is the innermost whorl, and that is the pistil. And pistil have the three different parts. Upper part is stigma, and middle part is the style, and then at the base there is ovary is present, and this mature ovary ultimately turn into the fruit. So that's all about the parts of a flower. Thank you.